Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that annoying fucking noise. Do you hear it? I'll be quiet for a sec so you can hear it. Do you hear it? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. So, the first step is you go into the spectrum and you drag this up so you can see the whole thing, and then you shut the fuck up so you could see where the annoying noise is. Y'all, I think I found it. It's right here. See? Do you see it? It's right there. It's like a little higher there than it is everywhere else. Yeah. So what you do is you take this 1K, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where it was, right? So this little area. Now we just want to turn off all the sound in that area, all of it. So if there's sound in there, it doesn't come out. And that's like one very close frequency, so it won't affect my voice when I apply this to the thing. So what we do is we open up the EQ8. And this is the same logarithmic scale. So we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in between 5 and 6 right here. And I already set this up. So when I press this, it goes away immediately in very fashion. And my voice is like the same. The only thing that's different is that's not there. My voice still sounds good. Even though it's like a little bit different, like that doesn't matter because the fucking annoying voice isn't there, and you can play around like ooh, then we still have some of it, but my voice sounds clearer. But then this makes me feel sound like I'm fucking underwater. This is pretty fucking crazy. Okay, that's pretty cool. Um, uh, yeah, as you can see, I already did this ahead of time. I just want to show you. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.